Cagnero from Soap Basket Boutique by Ani. The question for today is, what makes somebody really enjoy a holiday gift? After speaking with holiday shoppers, the general opinion was, let the gift be different, something they will use and priced correctly. My natural soap and spa gift baskets from around the world answers those needs while offering you a beautiful selection not found in traditional retail stores. As our roots and traditions are from different parts of the world, so are our spa baskets. For instance, we have baskets from Canada, Greece, Italy, France, Switzerland, Thailand, Hawaii, Ghana, USA. Before I say goodbye, all of us at Soap Basket Boutique by Ani send our best wishes for a healthy, safe, natural, and prosperous holiday season.